Hey, welcome back again, viewers and subscribers. This moment, I want to speak to you on the Hibiscus rosa-sinensis plant belonging to the Malvaecea family, also known as a shoe black plant, used in India to shine shoes, even made in India, in China, to make shoe polish, and it is found in the tropical, subtropical, and temperate regions. Right, its native origin is Southeast Asia of Vanuatu. But there's much discrepancy about its native range. It can grow up to 18 feet. Hibiscus is basically a genre of these plants. It's not really a name. Also, it's called China rose, right? Rose of Sharon, and it's usually grown for its ornamental, exotic looks, foliage. Medicinally, the roots can be used to treat coughing. Even women with irregular periods, the flowers on the bark, right? Heavy bleeding, a decoction of the flowers can be used to treat irregular periods. Also, it's rich in vitamin C, which helps to boost the immune system. Containing anthocyanins, antioxidants, which help to prevent premature aging. So it's anti-aging. Its leaves also used cooked as a spinach. Also, its flowers. So, like I said, it's called shoe black plant because in India, right, I'm used to shiny shoes. And unfortunately for me, I have a black shoe on. Right, fortunately. You see my reflection already. Apologize for the noise. It's just that I'm in an area where I have hardly any control over the noise. Alright. Also good for hair problems, alopecia, helping to grow the hair, even making a natural dye. Because when you make an infusion, you see a boil it, you see that the flowers turn red. Right. Also skin issues, promoting weight loss. Right now, researchers looking into the uses, right? Doing research on extracts of its flowers and other parts to ascertain whether it has anti-cancer effects or anti-diabetic effects, right? So it's good for high blood pressure. It's good for diabetes, even aiding weight control. It can help weight loss. It's quite a beautiful plant. It's been wasted quite a lot on the island. Many yards. See different cultivars: yellow, white, and red. Even orange. There are many different cultivars. Yeah, see, this one here is pretty tall. Yeah, very, 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 very tall. Right. Spiritually speaking, comes to magical herbalism. It's known to attract love and passion. Even in divination, using divination, you place the flowers in a wooden bowl with water, right? And also in scrying, which is like using a crystal ball, looking into the future. And in ancient Ayurvedic literature, as the Indian medical system, there it's documented that it can treat heart diseases that cause ailment of the heart. Also is used in Chinese herbology, the leaves also used as a laxative. There's quite numerous benefits for treating colds, coughs, boosting the immune system, containing vitamin C, ascorbic acid. Yeah, so this here wasted all these flowers.